Hi there, welcome to Microsoft Entra Product Family. In this lecture, you will be learning Microsoft Entra Family of multi-cloud identity and access solutions. This would be a very short lecture to introduce the entire Microsoft Entra family to manage multiple products that are part of this product family. So when we say product family, it is a combination of multiple products under a single product name. So in this case, we call this as a Microsoft Entra product family, where it includes multiple products like Microsoft Entra ID. Microsoft Entra ID is a cloud-based identity and access management service which is going to enable your employees or external even users to access your internal resources or external resources for your internal users, including your employees. For example, in this case, Microsoft 365 or Azure Portal or thousands of SaaS-based applications that can be easily granted access and you could control completely with the help of Microsoft Entra ID. Let me show you from the portal. So this is how you would be accessing enter.microsoft.com, and within this identity, you could create your user accounts, or you could manage your users, groups, and devices, applications, and many things can be done within Microsoft Entra ID. And your Entra ID can be used by your IT admins to control access for your applications or app resources, or business requirements can be achieved by granting accurate access on your application. And you could even achieve the multi-factor authentication by enabling to access those resources with the help of Entra ID. And also app developers can create a standard-based authentication mechanisms or single sign-on based applications that all can be controlled with the Entra ID. I'm not going to cover about the licensing as it would be a different lecture altogether, but yes, you also need to have certain licensing level like P1, P2, Entra identity specific licenses or government. If your company is coming from a government based identity, then you need to know follow the governance ID complaints and regulatory policies, and you need to end up with that identity. We can talk about the next product within this family called Microsoft Entra ID Protection. Microsoft Entra ID Protection helps organizations to detect and investigate, remediate identity based risks. For example, if a user is trying to sign in from a miles away from his home location within the few minutes of the time, it can be considered as the risky user, and we could, automatically generate such kind of, users risks, and we could, auto remediate with the help of conditional access policies, or you could even send these automated alerting mechanism to your SIMs or security information event management systems, a tool for further investigation or correlation. So you could easily detect and investigate, and you could even remediate with the help of multi-factor authentication, or maybe with the blocking with the help of Microsoft Entra conditional access policies. That all can be done. And the next set one would be the Microsoft Entra ID Governance. This is an identity governance solution that's going to enable for your organizations to improve productivity, strengthen in terms of the security, and you could easily manage or meet your compliance and regulatory requirements. This is mostly used for Microsoft ID governance for the government organizations or some kind of regulatory or compliance requirements. It can be easily done because it's going to fully automatically ensures that the right people have the right access and a right resource level. This is a great feature that could be added for your organizations in terms of the regulatory and compliance point of view. The next one would be the Microsoft Entra External ID, which refers to all the ways you can securely interact with the users outside of your organization. If you want to collaborate maybe with your partners or distributors or suppliers or vendors, you can share your resources and define your internal users can access external organizations also. If you're a developer creating some kind of consumer based facing applications, you can manage your customer's identity experience with the two more options. One would be the external ID for customers. This is purely for your new customers identity and access management, or CIAM. solution for your organizations and businesses that you wanted to make their public facing applications available for your consumers to consume, so that Microsoft Entra ID makes it easy for your consumers, for your self service registration. Let's say there is a web application the users can register on their own, since it's the consumer based application. Then you would be using the Microsoft Entra external ID for customers or for your consumers, right? And in case if you have a solution for your partners or your distributors, vendors, then you would be using the external identities with B2B, that's business to business, or business to customer also. And sometimes you might be using the multi-tenant organization also within this Microsoft Entra external IDs. So it's mostly for your partners and vendors. This B2B or B2C would help definitely for your cross or two-way trust for your another Microsoft Entra organizations for a seamless collaboration purpose. And you could use the B2B and you could publish your modern SaaS-based applications or custom developed applications for your consumers and customers while using the B2C option in this case. The next two products, that's Microsoft Entra Internet Access and Entra Private Access. These two falls under Global Secure Access. This Global Secure Access will protect your internet access and the private access without compromising your applications data or your corporate data. As the Global Secure Access is the unified location in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, and thus Global Secure Access is built upon the core principle of zero trust to use the least privilege verify explicitly and assuming the breach case. And that this is purely integrated in the backend with Microsoft Defender for cloud apps and Microsoft Defender, so that the networks specific any kind of breaches also would be easily prevented, like stealing the stolen keywords or tokens. So ultimately, you would be protected, because the users are working from anywhere these days. So this is going to apply universal conditional access policies all over the internet destinations, if not federated with Microsoft Entra ID. There are a lot of integrations between the conditional access session control also, and it's going to do the web content filtering for regulating the access to the websites based on their content categories and domain names, and it's going to protect your user access to public internet while using the Microsoft Cloud delivered identity aware software gateway solutions. I would say, many things can be done within the global secure access, but we would be learning those things with respect to those lectures. The next one would be the Microsoft Entra Permissions Management, which is a cloud infrastructure and title management. It's a solution that's going to provide you comprehensive visibility into the permissions assigned for your all the identities, including your users and workloads, what kind of an actions they can do, what kind of resources they are trying to access, or has a permissions. It can detect, it can give you right sizes, and it would monitor unused and excessive permissions. So it would be giving a great flexibility for enabling the zero trust within your company or within your organization for the zero trust security through a least privileged access within Microsoft Azure or AWS or even GCP. All these places it would work this Microsoft Entra permissions management. The next product would be the Microsoft Entra Verified ID, which is going to manage verifiable credential service that enables your organizations to issue and verify credentials in a manner that is cryptographically secure and compliant privacy requirements, so that you could collaborate with decentralized identity model organizations, so that they know that you are compliant, your ID is compliant, and you are a trusted user identity as a verified identity. So this is a new concept that has been introduced with the decentralized identifiers. The next product would be the Microsoft Entra Workload ID, which is going to help you to manage and secure your identities for your digital workloads such as your apps or services. to authenticate and access other services or resources. So the terminology is inconsistent across the industry, but generally, a workload identifiers is something you need for your software identity entry to authenticate with some other system, right? For example, if you ask me what are those, in Microsoft Entra workload identities, these are the application service principals and managed identities. So these are the things that can be represent. For example, service principal is a local representation or application instance of your global application or object in a specific tenant. That being said, these are the products that are part of Microsoft Entra family, and we would be learning as we go through with respect to the feature. Thank you for watching this. I'll catch you in the next lecture.